Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. I hope the week's gone well. Plenty to talk about. Currency markets, euro dollar about 113.80, dollar index 96.787, Japanese yen 113.39, Swiss franc 0.9965, the pound 127.80, the Australian dollar 0.7315, India rupee below 70, 69.685. Do a correlation with the price of Brent, and there's your answer. South Korean won 11.2060. The Bank of Korea raised interest rates for the first time in a year this morning. Brazilian real 385.27, Egyptian pound 17.9010, and the rand, which has had its best November, I think, in about 30 years, 13.66. A lot of people have gotten bearish about the dollar. I certainly have not. And I'm still targeting 100. This chart is from T Commodity. Euro dollar remained bearish, looking for 106 and then 1. This is a 3-month chart. Commodity markets are poised for their first down year since 2015, what's likely to be the first of many to come. Any way you measure it, the market for commodities is suffering. The Bloomberg Commodity Index of 22 key raw materials, ranging from oil to copper to soybeans, has dropped about 10% since reaching an almost 3-year high in May. And in this article, the authors identified 10 forces that explain the weakness and why it will persist. Gold, this is a 6-month chart, last at 1224.25, still below that key level of 1242 and unlikely to break it, given that my scenario is there's going to be a bust up and a lot of noise. WTI crude oil traded below $50 a barrel, at one point down 24% in November, the biggest monthly fall since October 2008, and the 5th biggest since the early 1980s. Currently at 51.55, this chart is from Jamie. 12th of November, I was writing about how crude oil and the Crown Prince plays his get out of jail card. I said then the proximity of the beginning of the bear market in crude oil and the disappearance of Khashoggi is no coincidence. The sell-off was manufactured by the Crown Prince. And I asked in the same article, the question is, does this keep on spinning lower now under its own momentum? And indeed it has. This is a longer-term chart from Samuel Carosi, and we dipped below 50. Last time I looked, we're at 51.55. Umar says Pakistan's immediate economic crisis is over. And then subsequently this morning, Pakistan's rupee is said to fall 4.5% to 140 in the intraday market. Sun charters.